Well, very good morning, guys. Okay. Last class, we just been talking about partial views, right? Okay. Today, let's try one more example with partial views. Okay. Fine. So what I'm trying to do is, yeah, watch it. One more example I'm going to show you on the partial views today. Fine. In this, I want to just define a new class. New model class I want to define. What are the model classes we have? Employee and student. So I'll define a model class called as customer. Let's define a model class called as customer. Yeah. Watch it. The first step is I'm adding a model class. Consider each and every step carefully. A new class. We'll call it as customer. Customer. And the customer has the following attributes. What is that? Customer ID, name, the type of account it is, a savings account or a TMAT account or whatever it is, balance, city, status, and photo. They are the attributes of the customer. Okay. Fine. Now, you guys have a look at it. This is a customer. Now, I wanted to create an instance of the customer. You know how to create an instance of the customer. When I'm creating an instance of the customer requires a photograph. So for that reason, we have an images folder now. Last day we added an images folder. I want to add some images in that. Add an existing item. Some images I'll add in that. I'm adding some images there. Okay. Yeah, some set of images I just added. Now, let me add a controller. So first step is define the class. Second step, taken some images. Third step, adding a controller. What is that? Customer controller. I want to write an action method in this, something like a display customers. Yeah, I named it display customers. Import the model namespace first using MVC UI designing dot models. public view result display customers. Not one customer here, multiple customers. Okay. So I'm going to display the customers, all of you. I will create the instances of the customer now. Customer C1 is equals to new customer, and your class doesn't have a parameterized constructor. So what I'm using is object initializers to initialize the customer instance. Yeah, what are the attributes? Customer ID 101. Name of the customer, something, Raju. Okay, some name. Next, account. What type of account is it? A savings account. Next, what is your balance? What is the balance? Balance is equals to some 50,000. City, Hyderabad. Status, active status. Mean the customer is in a active status only. Okay, so true. Photo is equals to, here I'm giving the path of the image. Path of the image. How? Tilde slash project root folder. Under that, images. Under that, there's an image with a name called image1.jpg. Is the image I'm using. Okay, like this. I just wanted to create multiple customer instances. Understood now? I want to create multiple customer instances. Guys, I'm just trying to create some 6 customer instances here. Yeah, you can see. First customer, second one, third one, okay. Just created some 6 instances with different values. Already I explained you how to create a model class instance and pass it to the view. Yes or not? Already in the previous examples, we learned how to create a model class instance and pass it to the view. How do you do? Return view. And for this view, you can just pass the model object, right? Yes or not? But how many model objects are there now? Not one model object, 6 model objects are there. The previous examples contain only one model object, but the current example contains multiple model objects. Multiple are there, not one. Did you understand my point? Okay, the multiple model objects are present. When the multiple model objects present, how do I pass it to my view is watch. Because tomorrow, when you start working with the database, multiple records will be coming from the database. All the records should be sent to the view now. So how should I send them? You remember this one, list of int. I already explained you. List of int, something. Say a previous example I taken, items is equals to new list of int. What this stores? A set of integer values. I said you, this is an array, but dynamic. Array is fixed length, but the list is dynamic. Whatever values are stored in this integer. What is int? Int is a type. What is int? Int is a type. What is customer? Customer is also type. Why are you changing your terminology again? Customer is a type. That many number of types are served in the C#. A class is a type. Yes or not? So now if I pass a list of string here, what is the meaning? The list contains a string type of values, correct? If I say list of customer, the list contains customer type values in it now. The list contains what? Customer type values in it. Some name I'm giving the name as customers. Any name here, your choice. That's only instance name, no bot. And now here, you can pass on all the values now. What are that? C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. See, Elia, watch this code here. Here you created a list like that only. List of int li is equals to. That's how you created a list. Okay, a list of int some name items is equals to any name here, your choice. Same way now I'm running what? List of customer. Customers is equals to new list of customer. Afterwards, open the curly bracket, just like you passed 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm passing C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and C6. Both are same. Are you clear? This list can store integer type of values, so you're passing a list of integers here. This list can store customer type of values, so you're passing a list of customers here, set of customers here. Understood everyone? Okay. Now guys, what you can do, you can now pass this customers directly to the model. Earlier you passed one customer. Today you're passing a list of customers. So how many customers are coming there? One multiple. Multiple. Okay. Can we pass object type? If you pass object type, you can pass object type, but can the parent access child class members? I don't understand it. Tilde slash images slash symbol is not available. What that symbol is not available? There's not any symbol here. Tilde operator. Oh, tilde operator is missing. Okay, thank you. I missed the tilde operator there, guys. Tilde slash images. Okay. Okay. Are you clear till now? So what is the first step? We created a model class. Second step, we added some images in the images folder. Third step, we add a controller and that we defined the method. And in the method, we created instances of the customer, added all of them to the list, and the now list is passed to the model. View. List is passed to view. Okay. Now guys, watch. Now let's add a view here. Here I'm selecting the option here, empty. What is the model class? Customer, right? Customer is the model class. Add. Yeah, got it. But just observe this one. Are you getting here one customer or list of customers? Not one customer, na? So that's why here, when you're reading the values also, we should say list of. Understood my point? What do you say? List of, to tell it's not going to be a single customer, it is going to be a list. Okay, or otherwise, you can use the parent of this list. You can use the parent of this list called as IEnumerable. The parent of the list can be used. What is that? IEnumerable. IEnumerable can be used. Anything can be used here. Why I just said you that point is list is perfect thing. But tomorrow, sometimes you see in any examples online when you're browsing code anywhere online, you may find IEnumerable there. Don't confuse. IEnumerable is an interface which is a parent of the list. You already know that. Or that in exception handling, you learned it. What? I want to catch an exception. How do I say catch divide by 0 exception? Or I can even say catch exception. What is exception? Parent of all the exceptions. Same way, the parent of all the collection classes, list is a collection. The parent of all the collection classes is I enumerable. We can even use I enumerable there. Both will work. Okay, now I wanted to display one by one recordia. I wanted to display one by one recordia. Okay, so I'm writing for each customer MVC UI design models customer. Lengthy na? Okay, just a minute. Customer in your list name, correct? Model. Array. Previous also you done that only now. Model. Model is your list now. Earlier model is your customer. Now model is your list of customers. So when you just refer to the model is nothing but the list of customers. You can all observe it. What is model? Earlier model is only customer. Now model is list of customer. But the code looks lengthy. Why namespace name? Array, do you remember that in C# I said you, yeah, this is going to be the type. What type? You can use where. Implicitly typed, automatically type recognition is done for you. So this makes the code short. Simply where customer in model, but where refers to what? Customer. So how to read it? For each customer in model. Where model is your list. Okay, now. Now here, I wanted to write the code to display the output in a table format. To display the output in a table format. In a table format, the first cell should show ID, second cell should show name, type of account, balance, city, status, image. 7 columns. Just like one row, guys. I want to create it. But I'll write the code for that. Table and all the things I'll write. Not a big deal. We can do it. But just understand a point. What is that? Tomorrow, in another view also, you want to display the customer's data there. In another view. Again, you require to write the table code there. Array, I want to just use this list not only in one view, in different places I want to use. When I use in different places in display, every time I require to write the code for displaying the data in a table format now. Not one time, multiple times. Are you clear? So I have a plan. What is the plan? Without rewriting the code again and again, I want to create a partial view for displaying the record, for displaying a record in a table format. Are you clear? So that tomorrow, wherever I want, I can directly consume the partial view now. Did you understand me? Yes or not? So here, without writing the table code again, looping it and writing the table code, I wanted to call the partial view. And inside the partial view, I want to write the code for displaying the data so that tomorrow I can use the partial view on multiple locations wherever I want. Is that clear? Now the partial view, I want to design a partial view to display one customer, that's all. How many? One customer, only one customer. I want to design a partial view to display only one customer. Observe it. Let me create a partial view. Where should I create? Shared folder. Add view. We need to create a partial view. We need to create a partial view. Just a minute here. What name I given? Just let me check. Nothing here. Any name. Customer view. I just created underscore customer view. Here also we want this to display one record. So here also I'm using empty, and here also I'm using customer. But here not list of customers, guys. Remember how many? One customer only. So click on the add button. Automatically adding. No, don't change the list because I want to design this to display only one customer. And here can you write the code for displaying the record in a table format now? Yes or not? How do you write? Table width is equals to 100%. Align is equal, no need align. Width is equals to 100%. border is equals to 1. Border is equals to 1. And inside of it, you're taking a tr. Every record should be one row, that's all. Every record should be one row, that's it. Tr and your td, what do you write? Model at the rate model dot custody. At the rate model dot custody is shown in the first cell now. Same way. What's it? Name. Next. Account, huh? Account. Next. Balance. Next. City. Next. Status. Next. Photo. Clear? But one thing, understand all of you. When I'm going to show this, when I'm just going to show this, I will just get the output here, not a big deal. I'll just get the output here, it's not a big deal. But one thing I just want to clarify, what is that? When I'm going to show this output here, when I'm going to show this output in this, actually, I am planning to show the output in not like a row, guys, in a different style. Like I have a plan. It will be more beautiful than the row format. I want to get the output like this. I want to create a table. In the left hand side of the table, I want to show the image. In the left hand side, image should come now. Now in the right hand side, the remaining 5 columns. What are 5? ID, name, account, balance, and city and status, correct? Is how I want to show. Not like one row, I want to show like this. Left side image should come and right side all the content should come. How many rows and columns are there? How many rows? There is 6 rows here. On there, man. 6 rows, 2 columns. There are 6 rows and 2 columns here, right? Okay. We want to create a table like that. We just wanted to create a table like that. Why we use under tilde to refer the path? If we address already given, where you are given the address here, you are just going to refer. See, what is the address? Address means I should give it as E drive. What is the project name? MVC UI designing. Again, I'm sorry, E drive, MVC 7. MVC UI designing, MVC UI designing, images, and image name. That is the complete path. Did you write the complete path like that? How did you write? When I do this, this automatically refers to my root folder. Automatically refers to my root folder. So why can't we type the root folder path here? You can type, but don't type. Why? Today it is E drive. Tomorrow if you copy it D drive, what will you do? We'll change it again. This will dynamically recognize. When I say tilde slash, it will dynamically recognize which drive, which folder, all things. Only what you're doing is our folder name and our image name. So this is dynamical recognition of the path. If you type the path manually, tomorrow when you just post it on a public server somewhere, will they tell you the path? They don't tell you the path now. Then how do you write the path now? So that's why never give the path. Always refer to the project folder like that. So system recognizes the path dynamically. You don't require to enter it again. Okay. Yeah, I want to create a TR. How many rows? 6 rows, correct? First row contains how many columns? 1 and 2. First row contains 2 columns, but the first column is row span 6. The first column is row span 6. TD, row span is equals to 6. This is the first column. Second column. Now, from second row onwards, we have only one column. From second row onwards, we have only one column, because this particular column is row span 6 now. From second row, how many columns are there? One column only. So what you write? Second row TR. How many columns? 1 only. Third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. Okay, fine. What next? Here, what do you want to show? The image. I want to show the image. Image has to be shown. You want to show the path of the image, or you want to show the image? You want to show the image. So you're required to use an image tag now. You're required to go for using a image tag to publish the image. All of you observe it, how to use the image tag. How to use the image tag? In HTML, you learned about image tag now. Image. SRC is equals to the path of the image, correct? Where is the path? The path is model dot image. @model dot image is what you're required to pick it up here. What is that? Image or photo? Not image. @model dot photo. Okay. So watch this, guys. I'm writing a style. Width is, height is 100%. SRC is equals to, see that? @URL dot content of model dot photo. So what is it? Model dot photo contains the complete path, or we are giving a dynamic path. That is called virtual path. That is called as virtual path. The URL dot content will convert that virtual path into physical path. Physical path means E drive, MVC7, MVC UI designing, MVC UI designing, images, image1.jpg. Did you understand me or not? This will give what? Virtual path. This virtual path will be converted into the physical path, or we also call absolute path. See, converts a virtual path to the application absolute path. Absolute path is nothing but physical path. So virtual path is converted to physical path now. Okay, that's what exactly this is going to do. Okay, what next? Here, what to show? Name? Oh, sorry, ID? Customer ID. @model dot cust ID. Come on. Name. @model dot name. Next. Account. Account. @model dot account. Balance. @model dot balance. City. @model dot city. Status. @HTML dot checkbox per. I want to show a checkbox here. Status, I want to show as a checkbox now. Okay, how to show? C lambda expression C dot status. C lambda expression C dot status. So I am creating a partial view now, and this particular partial view is designed to display how many records? 1. How many? 1. That's all. Now tell me how to consume a partial view. 3 options to consume a partial view I shown you in the last class. What are 3 options? First one is HTML dot partial. Second one, render partial. Third one, render action. I am preferring the second option. What is the second option? Render partial at HTML dot render partial. So guys, come back here. We stopped it here now. Yes or not? HTML dot render partial. What you need to pass? Do you remember last class I showed you what you required to pass? View name. Partial view name. What is partial view name? Underscore customer view, comma, what you can pass? Object model. And now I am passing customer. I am passing the customer. All of you watch it. I am calling HTML dot render partial underscore customer view and passing the customer object here. What will happen now? It will come to the view now, and this view is going to show you the table for you. This is going to show you the table in this place. Watch it. What should I run? I should run display customers. I should run the display customers. See what I'm running? Display customers. But this display customer will internally call the customer view, the customer partial view, to display the output to in a tabular format actually. Check. Got it? No, I'm not pointing to customer display customers. The width, let's increase a bit. You got that in a tabular format. Is that clear? If you observe it, right click and say view page source, all of you. If you observe this, it's creating a table for you, that's all. It is creating a table for you in this particular place. Okay. So yeah, just a second. Let's not give 100%. 200, 200. All the alignments we need to do it. And it became very big. The styling option is there here. There is a style option, I forgot it. The image fits in the cell. something like cover or something. In a C sharp, we have image stretch. Remember, the image correctly fits in the cell field size. So like that, we have a style option here. I forgot what is that style option. Just a minute. Background size cover. That's all styling, just you do your own styling, but how to just get the image I shown you. So till now in the previous examples, what I explained you is not background size cover. Check it out, guys. Check it out here. The styling for that image should be filling the appropriate cell. You can do the styling for image. Not cover did not work. That's only for background image. It's working. I've written some code. Oh, they're also given the size dimensions. This has to work. I have done it, I think. Okay. So tell me, what are the steps you have performed? What is the first step? We created a model class with some set of attributes. Yeah. I done some styling. Row span 6, given the width for TD also and image also. Okay, fine. I given a width for both the two things. That's all. I just messed up it there. Just align is equals to. You need to have a little bit patience to design HTML here, stylings and all the things. Okay. Okay. You must have some good knowledge on that only. You learned about HTML. Your teacher have already taught you how to do the stylings. Apply them. Yeah. Now you can see. Is that clear? Fine. Now, what next? Yeah, let me repeat the steps. First, define the model class. Second, add some images. Third, define an action method. And in the action method, you just create a set of customer instances, add them to your list, send the list to the view. Now the view will pick one by one record, sends to the partial view. Partial view will display. Tomorrow, in another example, in another location, somewhere, you wanted to display this record again. No need to write the table code again. You can directly call the partial view will show. Reusability. Hope it's clear? Yeah. So you observe the two views, guys. In the first view, model represents a list of customers. In the second view, model represents a single customer. In all the previous examples, I shown you model representing one customer only. Today only, I just shown you how the model represent multiple entity, multiple objects. Okay, how you should take list. Yeah, someone asked this question: can't I use list of object? Can't I use list of object? Someone posed the question: can't I use list of object? Yeah, you can use list of object. But once you use list of object, immediately your code becomes non-type safe. It'll lose the type safety. Tomorrow in that, if I add a string also, it'll take. See, now I'm saying list of customer. What I can add here? Only customers can add. If I say list of object here, if I pass string also, it'll take there. Int also, it'll take there. Array, how can I take here? I want only customers, not all the nonsense. Understood my point? And the second problem what you'll face is, here what you'll write, customer or object? Object. You will again write object here. Okay, if you write object, parent cannot refer to child. Array, C-sharp you learned na. Parent can hold the child, but parent cannot refer to child members. Parent cannot access the child members now. Again the problem starts. So without all that nonsense, make your code always type safe. Always it should be type safe. How to add multiple photos in table. Watch the code here. I did not add multiple photos. One photo only I added. For each customer, one photo I added. That's all. And I just looped it. I just only used a loop. I did not write any code for displaying multiple customers. I've written the code for displaying only one customer. I looped it. That's it. Okay. Fine. Yeah. It's all about partial views. I shown you another example with the partial views. Basically, today my intention is to give you an idea. How do you deal with multiple model objects? How to deal with multiple model objects? Because going forward, we are going to step into database programming. In a database, will you pick one record from table? You'll have some 100 records on the table now. All the 100 records will come for you in the form of a list. And once all the records comes in the form of a list, what will you do? You guys are going to loop it and pick one by one record from that list. Okay. Next. The next topic what we have here is can't we create a global table structure? Sai Kumar, if you can tell me how to do that, Miss Global Table Structure, I did not understand that first. If you can write the code and show me, that's fine. Because I did not understand you. What is that? Can't we create a global table structure? I did not understand that word at all first. A global table structure. How do you do that? I'm not aware of it. If you have any knowledge on it, you can just tell us. We'll try that. Okay. The next topic what we have is layout views. Layout views. What are layout views? Guys, layout view is nothing basically. When we are building applications, when you guys are building an application, every application will be having a common, every web application you see will be having a common layout. What is that? You see, I'll open the Amazon website. You see the Amazon website. You see it carefully. On the top, here it is showing the logo, Amazon.in. And here it is referring to the address of the so-and-so person. Hello. I did not log in. If I log in, my name will come here. And here there is search bar. And here, which language are you referring to? This is for sign-in optional, returns and orders details. And here, the cart. Okay. And below that, you have a menu showing all sell products, best sellers, mobiles, books like this. It's showing a menu. Correct. And below that, we are getting some product information. And if you scroll down in the bottom, you watch it in the bottom. When you scroll down in the bottom, here, it will be showing you some quick links. Yeah, Again, below that, like in what countries Amazon operates. And here, other Amazon services what we have. Amazon, you know that Amazon first started as a bookstore. Amazon first started as a bookstore selling books. Later on, they just went into the business of selling consumer products. But initially, what they sold is books. That's all. Later on, they went to consumer products. Okay. The other Amazon sites, what it has, all the things. You guys understand one thing, eh? What is shown you on the top are two, one black color bar and one dark bluish color bar. And at the bottom, this again, the brownish, dark gray color and a black color bar. All pages, these four things will be common. What do you mean by that? What I mean is, watch. Here, I want to search for a product, iPhone. iPhone 13 Pro Max is what I want to search. Searching for a product. You got the information of the product now? Observe it here. The top two bars did not change. And the bottom, this did not change. What is changing? The content in the middle is only changing. The content in the middle is only changing. Now tomorrow I have 100 pages. In all the 100 pages, if at all I want to design this, if at all I want to design two bars on the two horizontal bars on the top, two horizontal bars on the bottom, it is time consuming. Yes or not? 100 pages you need to design, it is time consuming. And not only like time consuming, rewriting of the code duplication. Last class I explained you, if tomorrow client asks for any change, you're required to manipulate all the pages. Can I use partial views? Can I create 4 partial views and use it? Yes. You can create 4 partial views and put the views on the top and bottom. But problem is, in every page, you should remember, you need to place the partial views again. Are in all the 100 pages, you are required to drag and drop, you are required to place the partial view. Na? 2 views on the 2 partial views on the top, 2 partial views on the bottom. In every page, you need to do that. That is also time consuming. That is also going to be time consuming. Reusability, fine. Reusability achieved. And tomorrow when I am trying to modify it, one-time modification, everything is good. But the only thing is time consuming. Tomorrow we have 200, 300 pages. On all pages, I need to put the partial views. Without all these headaches, they have just introduced as a concept called as layout views. What's a layout view? Actually, this is a concept of designing a layout for your application first. You will be designing a layout for your application. How the layout should be present for my application, we design it. And that is nothing but one view. That's all. Layout is also nothing but a view. Extension is also .cshtml. Everything same. Only thing is, when you're working with this layout views, there are 2 parts here. There are 2 parts here. One is layout view. Second one is content view. What is content view? All our regular views, all the views what we are creating every day are called as content views. What do we call them? Content views. The other one is layout view. Okay. So we design a layout here. One layout view first and another content views. When we call the content view, the content view will go merge with the layout view and displays the output to you. Did you understand me or not? What will happen? The content view, when I call the content view, it will go merge with the layout view and displays the output for you. Now all the 100 views, every time I call a view, it will merge with the content view now. Means the content, merge with the layout view now, and the layout is going to be common for all now. All pages will have a common layout. Understood my point? Yes or not? Okay. See, there is a cricket bat, 10 players. Array, in our international matches and all, we see every player will be having their own bat. But when you're studying in your school days and your college days, when you go for a cricket match or something, everyone has a bat. All of us play with the same bat. All of us will play with the same bat. We have a bat for the team now. One by one, start exchanging the bat and go. Means one bat only. 11 players are going to play with that. Correct? Exactly. One layout. All the pages will merge with the layout and they will be showing the output to us. Understood or not? So that's what we call as a layout view. Okay. These are present in web forms also. We call them as master pages. There is called as master page. Actually, here views now, there is page. There we have content page, master page. Here content view, layout view. Terminology change, that's all guys. Concept is same only. See, there we have user controls, partial views, yesterday I said you. There we have master pages or layout views now. They are called layout views. Okay. So for example, you watch. Page or view. Is web forms called page, we call view. In Asp Net web forms, what is the extension? For us, user controls are partial view. User control in Asp.NET. What is the extension? ACX. What is the P or P means page, C means control. P means page, A or C means control. But for us, next we have master pages called as layout pages now. What is the extension? Did you understand? For us, everything is .cshtml. No confusions for us. For us, everything is .cshtml. But when you go to web forms, in web forms also we have the same feature available there, but there they call it master page and the extension is .master. .master is the extension. Okay. Now have a look on this. I want to design a layout view like this. I want to design a layout view like this. Here what should come? Header, a company name or logo, something. A footer. I want the left navigation menu. I'm searching in Microsoft websites. In a Microsoft website, when you see that on the top, it will show you the Microsoft logo. In the bottom, it will show you some quick links. In the left hand side, it will show you the contents. The left hand side will show you contents. And on the right hand side, it will show you the information. Suppose if I search for any topic in Google under the Microsoft website, suppose I want to search for layout views in MEC5. Layout views in MEC5. Directly let us refer to the Microsoft website. Not coming up. Microsoft website not open. All right. You see that. On the top, you'll be having the like the company name, all the quick links and all. At the bottom, you have a horizontal bar showing you which country, themes, and all the options. We have themes here. Dark theme, light theme, high contrast theme. Like basically we have a light theme here. We can change the theme. Dark theme, high contrast theme. Like this, we just have a theming option. And basically you notice that's layout. And left side, what do you have? A menu bar. Left side we have the menu here, like a contents. Contents list will be coming here. You can search here and all the things. And actual information now comes and shows on the right hand side. The right hand side, the actual content will come. Layout views in Asp.NET Core. Actually it is coming with Asp.NET Core. Okay, whatever it is. We want is, not sure. But we are just trying to understand the concept. So did you understand me? So here, what I want, header. Here, what I want. Here, what I want. And this is the place where I want to display my actual page. This is the place where I want to display my actual place reserved for view pages. What is that? Content page or a content view. Content page or a content view. What is it? Render section? I'll tell you. We'll just talk about that particular thing. But just understand the layout structure first. What is in the layout? it's a tabular structure. Watch it carefully. It's a tabular structure. First row, header. Second row, menu bar. That is fixed. Third row, first column, a left menu, left navigation menu. And third row, second column is again divided into 3 rows. Are you clear? Again divided into 3 rows with a single column. And in the second column, the actual page is coming and sitting. And what is the render section? I'll explain you. And here you have footer. Here we have a footer. Okay. Ignore render section for the time being. Ignore render section for the time being. Okay. Watch it. How many rows are there? 4 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. But 1, 2, 4 columns are having a call span 2. They're merging the 2 columns, call span 2. That is a layout. That is a layout. So header is fixed. Menu bar is fixed. The left navigation menu is fixed. Footer is fixed. What will change? The content page will change. So now the content page should come in city or not. So when you're designing the menu, when you're designing a layout, to tell the content page should come here, we need to call a method, guys. What is the method? Render body. The render body method will bring the content view and put it into that location. Otherwise, if you don't tell where it has to sit, you need to reserve a space for it now. Did you catch my point? You need to reserve some space for it. Once you reserve the space, automatically the page is going to come and sit in the appropriate location. That's what the render body is. It's a method here. HTML.render body. The HTML helper class. HTML.render body, so that the actual view is going to come and sit for you at this location. Actually, guys, I'm designing a view like this. I given that as an example, that's all. I'm designing a view like this. I'll show you a much simple example for you to understand about this. A much simple example, just understand. This is a master page. Master page means layout where. Now here, there's a layout for header. Here, layout for footer. And here, and this is my content page. Ignore here, this is the web forms, but concept is same I said you. When I call the content page, what will happen here? This content page will come and sit here, and this output what is coming. Header, content page, footer. So the header and footer are common now. What will change? The content pages will change. How many content pages can be present? N number of content pages can be present. Okay. I have a plan to design a layout like this. Is that clear? I have a plan to design a layout like this. Is it my second example? No. I have a plan to design a layout like this now. Okay. Now concentrate on that. How many rows are there? Overall, the first one is layout view. I just said you that is a layout view. That's all. The black color only. Just concentrate on black. 4 rows. First row. It has 2 columns. In the first column, I want to display logo, company logo. And on the second column, I want to display header image. Second row. Menu is there. Home, register, login, courses, about. And the next one is render body. The render body. Render body, what did I say? That's a method. What will come here? The content page will come. And third row, render section, we'll discuss about that. Fourth row, footer. Fourth row is footer. This is the layout I want to design. Okay. Now, how are we going to design this layout? Let's try to understand about it. Fine. So let us design a layout view now. Let us design a layout view. And to do that, I'm creating a new project, guys. Let's create a new project. Create a new project. ASP.NET web application. Naming the project as MVC layout views. Our own folder. Create empty MVC. All this is same. Okay. Now let us create a view. Let us create a layout view. Guys, when you're creating a layout view, put this in the mind. Layout view is common for all or specific to one? Common for all. And tomorrow, there is a chance like this. What is the chance? Yeah. Today we did not create any controller, but tomorrow you have 3 or 4 controllers now. One customer controller, one employee controller, some supplier controller. Every control can have a different layout. Every controller can have a different layout. If all are having the same layout, add that layout view under shared folder. If all are having the same, add it under the shared folder. Suppose if every controller, if customer has one layout, employee has another layout. Are you getting my point? If they are going to be different, then what you will do? Create your layout views under the corresponding folder. Means under views we have customer folder. Add a layout there. Add a layout page there. You have employees folder. Add a layout there. But if it is going to be common layout for all the pages, where should I add? Shared folder. And here also we follow this convention. What you know? Layout views, partial views. Both of them, to differentiate from the normal view, we use underscore. Even for partial view also, yes. Sorry, even for layout view also, yes. We use it for partial views as well as for layout views. For both the two things, they suggest us to use underscore to differentiate them from the regular views. Okay now? So, first in the views folder, let us add a shared folder. Shared folder. In the shared folder, I'll add a view. What name I have used? Sept. Site master. The name I used is site master. Add a view. Watch it all of you. Underscore site master. No templates or anything, just blank underscore site master. Click on the add button. I'll tell you the beauty of the layout here. You're creating 10 or 15 pages. In all the pages, you want to use Bootstrap. You want to use Bootstrap. In the previous examples, if I want to use Bootstrap, what did I do? On the page, I was writing the Bootstrap link element. 10 pages means 10 times you should write. But now, because you're using a layout, if you use Bootstrap, jQuery, all these things in the layout, that applies to all the content pages now. No need to repeat again. Did you catch my point? Because both these two are going to merge now, right? Because both these two are going to merge, if at all you use Bootstrap here, that applies to content pages also. Content pages also can use it. Is the point clear? So for example, I'll show you. I wanted to use Bootstrap in my code now. I wanted to use Bootstrap in my code now. Okay, we'll use a Bootstrap in the code. Oh, let's install Bootstrap first. Tools. NuGet Package Manager. Browse for Bootstrap and install Bootstrap. The Bootstrap is installed. Now here I wanted to go to content. Which file? Bootstrap.min.css. You'll be wondering what is the min.css? You know .css, but here we are using something called min.css. Have you learned in HTML? What is min.css? Min. Okay, we have a concept in our next topic here, that is minification and bundling. I'll explain you about that. Okay, so that's so you require to use a bootstrap.min.css. That it applies to all content pages. Now you can use Bootstrap in all the content pages. Is that clear? Now you can use Bootstrap in all the content pages. All content pages can use Bootstrap right now. So that is I'm sorry. That is the advantage. Okay, Bootstrap. Now, title. What is the title? You know, title. What will be the title now? Underscore site master. Actually, the layout name is coming as a title, and this title is going to be common for all pages. No, I don't want it like this here. I want the title to be separate for each page. I want the title to be separate for each page. Means the content page name should be coming as a title for me. What should come? Content page name should be coming as a title for me. Are you clear? Means the title I want in the content page, and that title will come here now. How to do? I'm using a view back dot title. What is the view back dot title? The view back dot title value I will assign in the content page. In the content page I'll assign view back dot title is equals to, and that value will come in sit here now. Did you catch my point here? In all the content pages, what I'll say? Suppose the page is add customer. I will say @viewback dot title is equals to add customer. I will assign this now. When I assign this, what will happen now? This value will come and sit in this location. Are you clear? Sir, can't we give the title directly in the content page? No. The reason is, till now, all your content pages have head and body tags. Tell me, from now they will not have. Why? Already the layout has all the things now. The layout already has head tag, body tag. Again, if you put a head tag, body tag, yesterday I explained you now, same thing will repeat now. So from now onwards, your content page will not have head and body tags. Like directly what we have is only content. That content will directly come and sit in the place. Which place? In this place. Understood me? So no title. So there is no chance of giving a title on there, because if head is not there, how title will be there now? Understood my point? So where the title is present? On the master page, and that value should be dynamically sent to the master page in the runtime. How to send? I'll show you, but we need to send it dynamically to the master page in the runtime. Okay? Fine, well and good. So this is the first important thing what we should remember, a title here. Now design a layout here, whatever you want, just design some layout here. We'll design a layout. For that, we just require some images. We want 2 images now. What 2 images? The 2 images. What 2 images? We just want one logo image, one logo, or is that you, and the company name. Okay. Let's add images folder. Add existing item. One is header PNG. Second one, logo. There is a logo, guys. I want to display that as a logo. Okay, now? So now let's start designing the layout now. Let's start designing. It's a table structure, right? Yes or not? It's a table structure. I'm only copy pasting HTML code here, not any C# code. Just you can watch. Table. Style width is equals to 100%. You know that. Nothing. Now, the first row contains 2 columns, right? First column, second column, header. And the logo should be in the round image. And this should be in round edge there. Round edge there. This is round only, but this is round edged. How do you do that? I'll tell you. So my first row. How many columns? 2 columns. Watch it. What I'm doing? I'm a TD align center style. I'm giving a background color, nothing here. And now here I want the image now. The image should come with a round image. Correct? We are using Bootstrap here. Watch, guys. Image src is equals to images logo.jpg. Style. Height is 100. Width is 100. Array, width and height are same now. It will be a round. If width and height are going to be array, it will be oval. Array, oval are same now. So you get a round image. And watch it. How to display a round image. A Bootstrap class. What is the Bootstrap? Rounded hyphen circle is a Bootstrap class name to display an image as a round image. Is that clear? That's a ready-made already now. Okay. First row, first cell is completed. Second cell. Second cell. What is second cell? My header should come. Okay. Again. TD. Here, no need any background color for this. So simply I will TD. Watch images and .jpg. Style height is 100 pixels. Don't forget, both these two should have the same height. Array, one has more height and one has they will look awkward. Both should have the same height. Width can vary, but height cannot vary. The width is, see the first image width is 100 now. Array, first image width is 100 now. The rest of all the space can be consumed by the second image or not. Understand here. Pixels percentage. In HTML, your teacher might have taught you. Pixel means you're giving the exact sizes now. Percentage means in the available, you are filling it. Your fill in your C#. Array for image, we just doc property fill. Like that is also going to be same. And class, what is the class C? The edges are rounded now. The edges are rounded. The image is not rounded. What is rounded? Edges. The edges are going to be rounded. So that's what you're going to do. Are you clear with the first row? Second row. Second row again has 2 columns. Oh, time is 8:50. Okay. We'll continue the next session here. Some of the people have offices. Okay, we just done the first row. Second and third rows we'll design in the next class. We stop here.